Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm on a bit of a roll this week. Excuse me. Second kit. This is part 2 of the Scribe and Painter series. So on the shop already I've got some of these pictures already in there as a kit. So this is part 2. Same sort of, well, it is the same thing. It's by the same. So there was originally the calligraphy, which I really like, and then it was given to somebody to illustrate the calligraphy, sort of late 15th, early 16th century. So if I start off, quite a big kit for me. So there are 8 printed pages altogether, 2 lined and 1 sheet of tags. So I will run through them. So this is the first one. All a very similar sort of creamy coloured background, creamy pink, that type of thing. That's page 2. And then we have page 3, which they really did seem to like their insects back in the day. Perhaps they were fascinated by them. Page 4. I just love, these are like an original collage, which is probably why I was drawn to them. Very, and my type of colours as well, to be fair. And that's page 5. Yeah. I mean, I have to admit, I wouldn't have thought of putting acorns with a daffodil and not sure what those little flowers are there. But the colours all go together, so I'm guessing that that's why they were done. This is page 7. So yeah, very oh no, this is page 7, sorry. Yeah, like I say, they do like their insects. There's a couple of colourful snails. There's some, not sure if they're dragonfly type insects at the top. And that's the last page, page 8. Like I say, I love this calligraphy. It's my latest obsession. I keep practicing. I do keep practicing. I found somebody pointed me in the direction of the Postman Knox, I think, website, and they do lots of practice sheets for calligraphy. And one day I'm going to be able to read what I've written. I keep trying. So that's page 8, and then the bits that go with it. So that's a printed lined page. There's same colour tones, just very sort of very lightly textured in the back. That's the second one, a bit darker, and a couple of images from those pictures that I've used as clip art in the digital stamping or clip art in the corners. And then a page of large tags. I just like, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, ooh, not sure of the colour of the cover. But we'll have a play. So there we go. That is a new kit. It will be on my Etsy shop. I'll put a link below to the listing. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back next week, I'm guessing, with a finished journal to show it off. Thank you. Bye bye.